Look here, baby. Messing with a real when you get the finest of Atlanta hot wings. You understand? Bussin' hot wings. You understand?
Can I get lemon
Gucci,
pepper?
velour sweatsuits, them Yeezy 17s, baby. Ride with a real. I'ma get you everything you need in your life. I'm trying to tell you what you need to know. Now, come on.
I always got it, so I ain't ever working. Buy me land of a Louboutin, Bitcoin of a Birkin. Baby, I ain't my job, so I ain't ever working. Buy me land of a Louboutin, Bitcoin of a Birkin. Boying and breathing, bobbing and weaving. Trying to master the art of fighting without ever swinging. Trying to live up to the standards of my super ego. Trying to be a better mother, sister, daughter, wife, amigo. I wanna exist in real time, go wherever the stream flow. Follow the summertime, feelings over cerebral. Balance out like a Libra. All my outfits is cheetah, with a little Ankara print. I'm like follow the lead, the hot as a fever, sickening. Plus I'm the medicine, take a sip. I know my power is limitless. Only God is above me. You ain't gotta love me, but respect will be to your benefit. I'm bringing life when I'm killing it. A weapon, so ain't no concealing it. I wrote this for me. These words set me free. I could care less if you're not feeling it.
To whom this may concern is those whose blood is as thick as cotton, and those who are mentally chafed to a game, meant to erase your inherent regain. So focus on this thing they call maintain. Our true identity is forgotten. The demon in hand makes us stand as the underman, overstand. So to derive to the coming of calculating time versus speed, within this equation you'll find this American freedom to equal dependency.
Shots fired, shoot down. Take your chances, feeling fine, but soon feeling great. Flying high when you pulling weight. Summer fall when you put in gate. All ain't fine in a hollow nation. When you follow things, just don't follow things. All around for a better base. Money's fine, but there's better things. Love will find you, little validation. Little trick with the allocation. Ain't no case for intimidation. While the time coming for all, yay. Hope you know bouncing you fall, yay. No points or eyes on the ball, yay. I still love you, although remote. Hope you're present now for sure. Know it's crazy, but know your hope. Know your hope, I know you'll get there. I know. Shots fired. Shoot down.
Give up about you or the life that you live. I ain't in it at all. I use a different ball. Focused on my team while I'm building a name. Only want my respect. You can keep the fame.
No more weeping and wailing, going on to live with my Lord. Soon I will be done. The trouble of the world. The trouble of the world.
Lord, my trouble in this world. How soon I will be done. with the trouble